Come on, Milo.
Yeah, start with some pretty green. We've got fern here, which will give you a good base, which is a secret when you're arranging it. Start with something that gives you a nice sort of shape.
Come on, Milo.
Where do you like to get your flowers?
Come here, Milo.
You know, as much as possible, we try to stick with what's in season. Yeah. So if you can,
Come here, Milo. Come on. You got this far.
Those are viburnum, and you're right, they look like hydrangeas.
Come on, Milo. Come on.
With the green.
All right, I'm going to take some time and try to make this look better. Thank you so much.
Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Milo. Good boy. Come on, keep coming. One more. One more. Come on, Milo. Come on, Milo. One more. Come on, you good boy. You good boy. You good boy. One more. All right. All right. I got you. Oh, you're going to give the camera a kiss? What a nice boy. What a nice boy. Oh, open wide.